Hi, I'm Zach. On this channel, we bring you the best tools to get the job done as a professional tradesman. Today we're going to be talking about sheet metal screws. The two main kinds are self-tapping and self-drilling, and they both have two totally separate uses. The self-tapping has just a point on the end of it and is meant to tap its own threads into sheet metal where there's already a hole. Self-drilling, on the other hand, can actually go through thicker metal because it drills its own hole on the way in. Self-tapping screws are often used in, say, appliances. I find them a lot when I'm working on washers and dryers, things of that nature, where there are two pieces of sheet metal that need to be joined together, maybe the body and then there's a back panel, and there'll be a big hole punched in the first panel and then a smaller hole punched in the second panel, and this screw goes through the first panel and cuts its own threads into the second panel. Also, I find them sometimes on those little E-clips. There's a couple other names for them, but basically you drill a hole in a piece of sheet metal and then you slide this clip on and it acts as a nut of sorts, and you often use a self-tapping screw in those clips. A self-drilling screw, on the other hand, can go through a lot thicker metal. You wouldn't want to use this in applications where you don't need it. You definitely wouldn't want to use it with those E-nuts because it would just tear up the nut. However, when you're going through thicker metal, for instance, I had a project last week where I was putting a small handle on a small utility cart trailer, and the handle had holes already punched through it, but I was going to be going through the tongue of the trailer, which was, I believe, 1/8 inch thick box tubing, and so a self-tapping screw wouldn't have been enough. I need something that's going to punch its own hole. So I grabbed a few of these self-drilling screws and it went right through. These are often commonly used in installing metal roofs where you're going into metal lath beneath, so you don't have to drill your own hole and then use these. These self-drilling screws I find a ton of uses for when I want to secure anything to a piece of angle iron and I don't feel like getting a drill out and doing a nut and a bolt and drilling, and it just can be kind of a lot of hassle when you don't need it. These self-drilling screws can be just what you need for the job. Hopefully that brief description is helpful. Comment below and let me know what your favorite tools are when it comes to getting the job done as a professional tradesman. We'll see you next time.